Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk about WriteSonic. Okay, so in this video I'm going to review it and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how you can use WriteSonic in proper way. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, if you go to the WriteSonic website and you will have the option for free sign up, you will get the link in the description below. Okay, so if I start writing for free, then I need to put my name, email, then I have to use and password. So from their website you can actually see what you can do with WriteSonic. So you can write website copies like landing pages, feature to benefits, headers, SEO meta description, and etc. For the digital ad copy, you can write Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, Instagram ads that will be coming soon, and Twitter ads will be coming soon. So those are two features is not available right now. Then you will have the option for AI article writer, blog ideas and intro, content phraser and expander, article summarize, grammar fixer, readability checker. For e-commerce copy you have bunch of options, then you have the copywriting formulas, then you have other tools as well. So let's complete our sign up process. Sorry, password doesn't match. Okay, let's send an email. So I verified my email, so I need to put my phone number. So I have verified my number, then it's inside the platform. Okay, so from the right hand side you can see your profile, then you have preferences, profile, billing, themes and integrations, and on the left hand side you have the upgrade option. Currently I have only 10 credit to test it out, so if I create a new project, then I have to say test project. Well, so now as you can see I have lots of tools here. For the article and blogs I can write AI article and blog writer, then AI article ideas, AI form intro, AI article outline, and you can also request a feature. For the digital app I have all those ad options. For the e-commerce I have those options like Amazon sponsorship, brand ad headline, Amazon product description, Amazon product feature, etc. And for the framework I have idea framework and let's see, review expander and all the other things that you have. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually write an article. Okay, so if I go to AI article, then they have some option to choose from here. So first one is AI writer 2.0 and the second one is AI writer 3.0, that is beta, and you can see the difference from those two. The number one is 4-step simplified GPT-3 article writer that can write unique article instantly. And the second one is create unique original full-length article that are both engaging and coherent. Okay, so the third one is Sonic editor with minimum input requirement. Write the best quality long form content of any length. Okay, so I'm going to use this Writer 3.0. That's the most popular one and working great. So if I click on that, then let's say I want to add a article for best golf ball. Okay, so I have some ideas for the title, best golf for beginner. Let's pick this one, then go continue. I'm going to generate the intro. So they have created some AI intro for the best golf ball for beginners. So you can read all those things and you can pick one of them. So I'm not going to read for now. Let's pick the first one. Okay, so I have the title now, I have the intro, and now I need to create a outline. So click on generate outline. You will have the sign up link in my description below, so you can check that out. So as you can see, they have created some list of outlines that you can read and pick one of them, or you can also edit them. Okay, let's pick this one. Then now I have the article title, I have the article intro, I have the outlines, and then you need to click on write an article, and it will take some time and it will generate an article for you. So the AI is already generated an article for us that we can actually read. Then we can edit this article as per our needs. So you can read it from here. So as we have some bullet points, like we have the article outlines, based on that the article is written. So you can read all those points and then you can finalize it. Okay, so you can edit it as you need and then you can finalize it, and you can download it from here. Also you can connect your WordPress site and publish it from here. So edit this article with the Google Docs like WriteSonic. So here is our article that we can edit. Okay, so whatever we want we can edit or delete from this article. So the article is 800 words, so that's a pretty big article. So that's actually it, how you can write an article with WriteSonic. And for the other content you will have the similar experience, like if you want to write a YouTube description or if you want to write a Amazon product description, it will be similar. If I click on that, then you need to put the product name, you need to put a short description, then they will generate a Amazon product description for you. Okay, then we have the digital ad. If you click on Facebook ads, then you need to write the Facebook ads or services name, then you need to write a short description, then you can click on generate ads, then they will generate few ad copies for you and you can pick one of them. So that's a great one, and feel free to check our description box for the free trial link and you will get started from there. So that's all for this video. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.